Hey guys, welcome to a day of the life. Just got back from Costco. I'm going to show you all the things I got for my family of 8. We just needed fruits and veggies, and we got birthdays coming up, and Mama needed some energy to put in her mini fridge in her office. So let me show you all the things that we got. Eggs were not as expensive as I was thinking they would be. This is $8. I know that's still a lot, but green beans are going to go good with the potatoes and ribs that I'm going to be making for Super Bowl. We would have like easy dinner. So we're going to have a Caesar salad. I have extra lettuce to add to this. And then we're going to have some rotisserie chicken, which is over there, and some French bread. Got these for my husband's lunches, and as well as some salami because he likes salami sandwiches. These I thought I would put in my mini fridge in my office for a quick healthy protein lunch. I've got some protein yogurts in there and like my energy drinks and waters, everything that I need when I'm like editing on the computer. And we got 2 things of grapes because they go really quick around here. And strawberries are looking a little bit better now. And this was like $5.79. So yeah, I got it. We're going to wash it and we're going to eat it with some Nutella as like a sweet dessert after dinner tonight. And then bananas. Chicken skewers are high in protein. They have 24 grams of protein per serving per little stick. They're very moist and just easy to heat up in the microwave. This is like my go-to toddler snack with some like fruit on the side for Tizeo. I got a big salmon because I'm going to be making a sushi bake. Soft bread for hubby sandwiches for work. This was only $10 and there's 4 pizzas. I really like this crust and it lasts a long time like in the pantry. So this is good to just have on hand for dinners. Ran out of jasmine rice and this is the best deal at only $20 for 25 pounds. Lysol was on sale, $4 off, only $10 for 4. So I grabbed these. I put 1 in each one of the bathrooms, but we have a lot right now. So I'm going to put this in my extra supply in the laundry room. Speaking of the laundry room, I'm going to be doing a major overhaul in the laundry room. I'm waiting until President's Day to buy some more appliances. I'm so excited. I think I'm going to do double with a hair washing station. This is my dream to have a hair washing station inside of my house, like a real one. $19.99 for 18 cans of Alani. This was a really good deal because these are like $2.50 or like $2.80 or whatever at Target. So this is a really good deal. I like the cherry twist and the orange kiss. I've never tried the pink slush, but we'll see how I like it. Couple of milks because we always need milk. Every 2 days we need at least a gallon. And then I got these ice sparkling drinks, 0 sugar, for Avea's soda bar for her birthday party coming up. I'm starting to kind of collect things so I don't have to do like a big shopping trip the week before. And these are so good, like a good protein snack to put in the kids' lunches on the football field, and my toddler really likes them. There's that rotisserie chicken I was talking about. Then we got salami, so we can do salami and cheese. Also, I make like kind of like homemade Lunchables for the kids. And once a year I buy this. It was like $7.99 and we are running out. It lasts a whole year, and I add these with like muffins and fruit and chocolate chip pancakes and waffles. We do so much with this for a large family. This is really affordable to have this on hand for breakfast. And I got some baguettes to eat with the rotisserie chicken and salad tonight. I got a couple things of bananas. Where's the other one? Oh, it's right here. Put the bananas where they belong. I also got some little crunchy munchy organic apples. The baby loves apples, so he likes it whole. So I just give him one of these because they're smaller, more doable for him. And then we always got to have cuties. We are constantly having cuties for like halftime snacks for all the football games. So I have to grab this literally once a week. I grab a whole one. Isn't this cute? Off topic, I got this on Amazon and it just reminds me of like a strawberry cream popsicle. It's so cute. I'll put this down below. I also got some hot dogs and some chicken bakes. I went to Target yesterday. I just got this out of the back of my car. I'm doing like lovey baskets. I have to kind of whisper because the kids are over there, but I'm doing like lovey baskets for each one of my kids for like Valentine's Day. So I've been collecting little things, like small things. They're going to be a small gift and I'm not going overboard, but like little things to put in their lovey baskets just to, you know, remind them that I love them on Valentine's Day and to celebrate. I did get this because I like to use this on the sports uniforms and there's a lot of viruses going around. So I like to sanitize my kids' laundry. let's reset this area that I've been using as like a laundry dumping ground for the past week. It's Tazeo's room, and I need to start training him to sleep in here, so let's get this cleaned up.